Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin bonus in KuCoin. First, understand that a margin bonus gives you extra capital to amplify your trading power. You'll typically find these bonuses in your KuCoin account under the My Bonuses or Rewards section. It's crucial to check the specific terms for each bonus, as they often have unique activation and usage conditions. This ensures you can apply them correctly to your trades. To activate your margin bonus, head over to the KuCoin margin trading interface. Once there, you'll usually see an option to select or apply an available bonus. Make sure to choose the correct bonus for your intended trade. After selecting, confirm the activation. This step is vital to ensure the bonus is successfully linked to your margin account and ready for use in your next trading activity. When your bonus is active, proceed to place your margin trade order as usual. The bonus essentially boosts your available margin, allowing you to open a larger position than your own capital would permit. Remember, this bonus isn't actual capital you can withdraw. It's for increasing leverage. Always monitor your trades carefully, understanding that while the bonus helps, market movements still carry risk. Finally, keep a few important tips in mind. Margin bonuses often come with expiration dates, so use them before they vanish. Always take the time to read the full terms and conditions for each specific bonus. They can vary significantly. Most importantly, remember that margin trading carries inherent risks. Even with a bonus, always practice responsible trading and manage your risk effectively to protect your capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.